Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 1, 2023. And here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sewer 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 1, 2023, Wednesday. Here are the STL Sewer 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Wednesday, November 1, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Wednesday, November 1, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.